Hi guys, Sasrikal and welcome back to my channel. With so many weddings and party invitations up on my sleeves, I have realized that it is so important to have a stringent CTM routine that not only helps you rejuvenate your skin, take care of it properly, but is also super simple and effective. Most importantly, जब आप पार्टी करके आते हो and आप थक जाते हो, so makeup उतारना and taking care of your skin can be really daunting task. That is why I'm going to share with you my tried and tested very simple CTM routine that you can do at any time in your life, and also the right kind of products that will help you take care of skin in the winter season especially. So while cleansing and toning is something that I believe most of us do, choosing the right product for moisturizing can be really a game changer. In this video, I'm going to feature my favorite L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Crystal Gel Cream. Since I'm already wearing makeup from another shoot, so I'm going to show you how I quickly get rid of this and at the same time make sure that I use the best products that help me prep up my skin post makeup routine. Okay, so the first product that I love to use in my daily CTM routine is this Plum E-Luminance Daily Cleansing Balm. I actually love this product. I'll show you the texture. It's almost over, but it's something that I use to take off all the makeup that I'm wearing. I absolutely love this cleansing balm. It's so pocket friendly and I love its texture because it's so soft on my skin. It hydrates my skin, does not wick away any moisture. I apply a generous amount of product on my face to make sure that the entire makeup is off. I massage it gently on my face and wash it with lukewarm water, and that's about it. I love the instant result it gives me. So in case if you're wearing a very heavy duty makeup and are not really that tired after a party, then you can opt for double cleansing. So in my step 2, I like to use my favorite L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Micro Essence. This bottle is almost empty and it comes packed with active ingredients like salicylic acid that helps accelerate skin renewal and of course works on pores. I simply like to put this product on my palms like 3-4 drops and gently pat it all over my face. A few drops of Micro Essence daily gives me hydrating, glowing and youthful look. It penetrates deep into my skin better than any serum available in the market. Moving on to step 3 of my CTM routine, I like to use my favorite moisturizer. The L'Oreal Paris Crystal Gel Cream is the latest addition to the existing Crystal range. This gel cream is powered with salicylic acid and comes with water-based, oil-based formulation that locks in moisture without building up on excess oil. Since our skin has tiny pores, one that releases sweat and the other sebum, so this cream works wonders for people who have combination to oily skin. The L'Oreal Paris Crystal Gel Cream penetrates up to 10 layers deep, deeply refines and minimizes pores for crystal clear skin. It's dermatologically tested and is free from parabens and synthetic dyes. Since there are no major salicylic acid creams available in the market, I love using this because it hydrates my skin like no other, makes it glowy, youthful and absolutely radiant. So once I'm done with my CTM routine, once a week at least I like to use a face tool on my face, and this is the Gua Sha. It's a rose quartz Gua Sha that I like to use. The best thing is that once I've applied the gel cream on my face, not only does it make my face like really hydrated, using a Gua Sha becomes super simple. So onto my face just how as it is, I use this tool and I'm going to show you how simple it is to use it. I just stretch one side, put a little bit of pressure here and drag my skin softly and gently in the upward stroke. I like to repeat it on both sides, and I also like to massage my face using all the sides of the Gua Sha. So the pointed end, I like to use it to release some tension on my forehead onto my lymph nodes. And then this V section, again, I like to use it for this as well as my jawline. I find it really relaxing and I also think it elevates the whole CTM routine like no other. Guys, I sincerely hope that you like this video. If yes, You know the drill. It's to like, comment and subscribe. Most importantly, I'm going to share shoppable links of my favorite products in the description box below. So do check that out. Also, do not forget to invest in L'Oreal Paris Crystal Fresh Hydrating Gel Cream. It's an absolute value for money, and the best part is L'Oreal is one of the few brands that have actually brought salicylic acid in form of a gel cream in India. So it's something that everybody should invest in and make sure that you try it, especially if you're into daily skincare. Even if you're into basic skincare regime, it's one product that you must add to see greater results. So the gel cream is available in 2 sizes. It comes in 15 ml and it comes in 50 ml. The prices are mentioned again in the description box along with the shoppable links, so make sure to check that out.